Hi, boys and girls. Today's story is called Hop, Hop by Leslie Patricelli. The Easter Bunny is coming. Time to dye eggs. Yellow and red make orange. Red and blue make purple. Blue and yellow make green. I do an art project. Hop, hop, we're Easter bunnies. At bedtime, I put out my basket. I want to stay awake to see the Easter bunny. But I'm too tired. In the morning, I find jelly beans. A book about chickies. Yum! A chocolate bunny. And my Easter basket. Hooray! I got bunny slippers. I hunt for Easter eggs outside. No. I can't find any eggs. Oh, I found one! Happy Easter! Happy Easter to you too, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Bye-bye for now.